Hello viewers, welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show how to fix Instagram disable account cannot be contacted problem. Let's see how to fix this problem. Following all the steps, do not skip. Click on profile icon, tap on three dot menu, scroll down, tap on helps, tap on report a problem, turn off this option, tap on report problem, tap on include and continue, tap on send. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.